Hi, do you want to learn website design for a scratch? Or do you want to master in web designing skill to add advanced to professional level? Welcome to one of the biggest web designing course in Amritsar. Welcome to one of the biggest web designing. Now give us 2 minutes to make you understand that what you are going to learn in the course. We will start from scratch. You will learn all about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and Photoshop all in depth. Also, we will learn responsive design. There is a full day to get it is section on Bootstrap, the most popular framework for responsive website. Also, we will design awesome UI elements. Next comes the most interesting part where we will learn mega website in Photoshop. And then we will convert into beautifully looking modern responsive website. So, we will design PSD and HTML template in this course with lots of cool features.